it's time we use the nail gun. Yay. See that? Oh! I'm holding the nail gun. It looks tiny from here, but trust me, it's ginormous. Yeah, so we're gonna use it. And we're using Gorilla Glue. No, this is not sponsored. All we know is Gorilla Glue is not made for the toughest job on the road, but it is good. Okay, so...
I need you to put
what?
glue on the middle. You pick it up, you gotta push it against, and then one hit. Push it. Now let's go to this other side. Okay, glue down the middle. Good.
Okay, that was loud, guys. I have to say myself. That was very loud. Forgot to wear earplugs, so our eardrums are probably broken. Yeah, we use the nail gun, and it's fun. Yes, it's a very fun tool. Whoa! My God, power! Guys, we're done with the framing, finally. So, it's a time we use the blowtorch. I'm going to try it. I have not done it. We have done a little test. This is what it does. Like, burns it.
And I want you to go across. Fast. Gotta get it toasted. It's like toasting a marshmallow. This causes it to seal up too. It's like another way of preserving it.
We have a buttload of more pieces to burn, but you get the idea. If you don't, rewatch that time lapse, okay? Yes, I have dirt on my hands, fingers, every body part. I'm not sure what's all the names of the body parts, but I'm gonna stop that fly. But yeah, so we're gonna make another video when we do all of the pumping with the water source, and that would be pretty much it. Guys, thank you for watching. Wait, did I already say that? Thank you for watching.